In this video, I'm going to show you the best DNS servers for gaming, and I'll show you how you can change it as well. So what you need to do once you're on your computer, go to your start icon, then click on settings. Once you're inside of settings, go to network and internet, and here you'll see your Wi-Fi connection, or it may be an Ethernet connection. Click on the connection you have. I'm going to click on Wi-Fi, then we'll go onto the Wi-Fi connection here. Now we can scroll down to DNS server assignment. It will be on automatic by default. You can click edit, change it to manual, and then select IPv4. Here you can enter in a custom DNS. Now the DNS servers that I recommend are either going to be Google Public DNS or Cloudflare. You can go ahead and copy these. So if we were to enter in a Cloudflare, it will be 1.1.1.1, and that will go in preferred DNS. And then in the alternative DNS, it will be this second one here, which is 1.0.0.1. After you've entered in the custom DNS, click save, and you've now updated your DNS. Try that and let me know if it works.